Hello viewers, how are you? Hope you are fine. I am fine too. Welcome to my channel Drawing Time with Story. Today I am going to show you how to draw jingle bells. I will deliver some information about jingle bells. I took the information from Wikipedia. So let us know the information. Jingle Bells is one of the best known and commonly sung American songs in the world. It was written by James Lord Pierpont and published under the title The One Horse Open Sleigh in the autumn of 1857. It has been claimed that it was originally written to be sung by a Sunday school choir or as a drinking song. Although it has no original connection to Christmas, it became associated with Christmas music and the holiday season. Although it was first performed by blackface minstrel performer Johnny Pell in Ordway Hall on September 16, 1857. There is no evidence of racism in the lyrics or of racist intent on the part of the composer of the lyrics. The Jingle Bells tune is used in French and German songs, although the lyrics are unrelated to the English lyrics. Both songs celebrate winter fun, as in the English version. The French song titled Vive le Vent, Long Live the Wind, was written by Francis Blanche and contains reference to Father Time, Baby New Year, and New Year's Day. There are several German versions of Jingle Bells, including Roy Black's. Like many simple, catchy, and popular melodies, Jingle Bells is often the subject of parody. Jingle Bells, Batman Smells has been a well-known parody since the mid-1960s, with many variations on the lyrics. Bart Simpson sings this version on The Simpsons, the first time being on Simpson roasting on an open fire. Do you know Jingle Bells was the first song broadcast from space? In a Christmas-themed prank by Gemini 6 astronauts Tom Stafford and Wally while in space on December 16, 1965, they sent this reboot to Mission Control. I hope you enjoyed my drawing and the informations too. So you have to stay connected with me. For this reason, you have to subscribe my channel for new videos, for new stories. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay with Drawing Time with Story. Okay, bye.